Regarding politics, you rule the roost.
Not at all. That's
major
very
cricket
unfair.
bodies of this.
Listen, as long as everything for the cricket is doing well, our boys are playing well, all our infrastructure in cricket is going well, what are we complaining about? And if there are issues, we are seeing the raids and all are going on. The government of India will take the right action. And I think that nobody in the BCCI or IPL wants to hide anything. That's what I hear on all your channels.
You happy Mumbai Indians doing very good?
I'm happy whenever wins. I like too many cricketers. I have little loyalty to Dhoni because I like him. I have little loyalty to Tendulkar because he's Mumbai. So it's all that.
Why do you think that people are actually naming a few politicians?
I have no idea. I have absolutely no idea. I have no answers to this question.
Okay. Okay, ma'am.
Let's see. Mantri has to answer. मेरे हाथ में थोड़ी है क्या है? Some people are saying it is a conflict of interest. Every politician's style.
Hi, हमारा कैमरामैन
हो गया?
You can ask anybody.
उसके अंदर आता है डिपार्टमेंट
She works extremely hard, India, and we are very proud of her.
I need to get a bite. What exactly is the role of your husband in this entire controversy? Is it the fact that he has a 10%?
My husband's only role is that he's a cricket fan of India. That's all. He has no other role in this.
But clearly there are, reports coming in, emanating, and you've seen in the papers, and now we are also saying clearly that there is a linkage to a $80 billion thing with the MSM. So did he get any equity?
My husband has nothing. I maintain what I said on Monday again today. And please don't bring him in this controversy. He has nothing to do with any of this.
But most importantly, madam, because there are many unanswered questions. Are you saying that
there were many allegations made on Monday. Was anything found out after that? Nobody's bothered to clarify my husband's stand that he was nowhere in it. So it's unfair. Today's story, again, you all will after 2 days forget about it.
No, the fact of the matter, Supriya, is that there is 10% issue about
he doesn't have 10% shares for your kindness.
Did his father have 10%?
His father was Chairman Sony for years, since 1992. The whole world knows it. It's not a hidden secret.
So then why is this being done? Because your father says that you have nothing to do with IPL. You say you have nothing to do with it. But everybody's linking Sadanand to this whole thing. So that
Sadanand has nothing to do with any of this. Please read my lips. Nothing. I still stand by what I said on Monday. My husband has nothing to do with any of this.
So his father's stake went down to his...
He's not even got it. His father is 84 years old. He's been unwell for a long time. That's why he holds them only in proxy, nothing else.
Also, this whole Poorna Patel angle, she's still being interrogated. They're saying that there's a conflict. By the BCCI board, some questions are being raised. The point is that people are saying that there's a conflict of interest. She's a minister's daughter. She shouldn't have been there in the IPL place. Do you agree with that?
No, I don't, because I'm also a politician's daughter. That means no political child born in any family has a right to do anything. I think that's totally unfair to that child. She's a young, enterprising, qualified 24-year-old who has a right to decide what she wants to do. When I started schools, then tomorrow you'll say, oh, Supriya Sule, conflict of interest, you can't run schools. I mean, that's not fair.
No, ma'am, but the more serious allegation is that she works in IPL. She got some business projection, which she, from her father's ID, sent it to Shashi Tharoor.
Oh, was it a confidential document?
I mean,
I have no idea about the document because I don't understand all these things.
Mr. Patel so far hasn't reacted, but sources close to him say that it's not. It was not
it's not a confidential. It's not a classified document. So,
ma'am,
I get a lot of very good emails from all my friends in the fraternity. That's not wrong, right? Leave the child out of this. She's a good kid. Don't slug her out.
But so that $80 million, you all have nothing to do in...
Nothing nothing. I cross my heart and say that. Nothing. What?
Yeah, she's answering.
There's only one thing I have to answer for another day.
Why another day? Why do you say another day?
Because there'll be something else new. But that franchisee story is over.
But at least you're talking and you're clarifying. The whole problem is there are people who don't clarify, and that's the problem now. Because
I have nothing to hide. I'm very happy to clarify.
Yeah.
And my poor husband, non-existent life that he leads, such a private life.
Tuba.com